Leadership skills. Hello, everyone. I'm Subhash Karthik, Master Communication Coach and Neuroscience expert. And this time, I'm going to come to help you to understand what is leadership so that you don't only score better in your leadership skills, rather, you become a true leader. Are you ready for this journey? So, guys, the first question I would like to ask you, what do you understand by leadership? Leadership is a label. Label is an outstanding quality. It's a mental quality. If you have leadership skills, you can conquer any problem in your life. Leadership is important in your personal life. Leadership is important in your professional life. So many people, they feel leadership means leading a team. I am the leader and I'm leading my team. You are right, but that is partial information. Leadership is about having winning attitude. Yes, leadership means having winning attitude. Do you have winning attitude? Do you always feel that, yes, I'll play to win. I'll do something to win. But yes, at the same time, I'm ready to accept if any failure knocks my door, because failure is something, inevitable. We cannot stop it in our life. But yes, if we have leadership skill, we can conquer any problem. I'm going to ask you 11 questions. Yes, please listen. I'm going to ask you 11 questions, and that will tell you what leadership is. Have you ever seen a person doing good at work for self, for organization, and for society, even without any big title or designation? Have you seen any person like this? Have you ever seen a person who is facing challenges with smiling face and be happy while doing the work? Think about it. Have you ever seen a person carrying very low designation, not like general manager, AVP? No, they're having very low designation, but still that person feels I am important. I am important and my performance counts in this organization. Have you ever seen a person who appreciates others' effort, not only result, efforts also? Have you ever seen a person who communicates effectively, but at the same time have empathy? They feel the pain of others, like others co-worker, others family member. They understand the pain. Have you ever seen a person who does work with passion and then money? Of course, we work for money also, but are you passionate about what you are doing? Think about it. Have you ever seen a person who writes their plans and never delays in executing them? They never give excuses. Have you ever seen a person who is outrageously enthusiastic? They have tremendous energy every time. Even they are working, they never become tired. They have outstanding passion and enthusiasm. But have you ever seen a person who accepts his or her failure and learns from it? Have you ever seen a person who always works on raising his or her standards, who is always in the in the journey to organize himself or herself? Yes, guys, I'm talking about a true leader. Because leadership is not about only leading a team, but first of all, being a leader, I'm leading myself first. Because it is said, leaders, they face problems, but they recover very fast. They recover very fast. Guys, leadership is an outstanding quality, and I'm going to come and tell you how you be a leader. I'll tell you that how leaders they think, how leaders they create a leadership DNA. You know DNA. They create a leadership DNA in their mind. Yes, I'm going to come and I'll tell you how to create leadership DNA in your mind. Great leaders they accept the failure. Yeah, sometimes they fail also, but they don't care about failures. They learn from it. These leaders are responsible. They take the responsibility when nothing happens good in their life. So guys, leadership, what leadership is, I'll tell you what is leadership. Leadership is all about absolute personal responsibility. Leadership begins and ends with 3 words: absolute personal responsibility. Are you a responsible person? You're responsible for your professional life. You are responsible for your personal life. You're responsible for your social life, because it is an absolute personal responsibility. And you know the best part of leaders? Leaders, they create leaders. Leaders, they create leaders. Leadership is all about seeing the best in people who have never seen the best in themselves. Yes, my dear friend, there are many people, they are demotivated. There are many people who are not having goals in their life. A true leader makes those people realize their goals. I believe, as I said before, that leadership is a label. Not everyone is a leader. So guys, I'm going to come and I'll be taking your session on how to be an effective leader. So it's a 360-degree leadership skills that which I'm going to train you on. In that training, I'll be telling you what is leadership, what are leadership theories and style, what are leadership skills, developing leadership DNAs, leadership roles and responsibilities. Are you a leader? What are the symptoms? I'll tell you those symptoms. Who knows that you are the next leader? Yes, we will promote leadership, assertive leadership. What are assertive leadership? So guys, for now, I'm leaving for the day. Till then, goodbye. All the best. I'll be seeing you in the classroom. Thank you very much. Again, don't forget, leadership is a label. You have to deserve it. Thank you. Thank you very much.